Hi everyone! This is how you can make your own box for your resin bookmarks. First, download the SVG and upload to your cutting machine. My bookmark templates come with the box and also the sleeve. Right-click to ungroup and then go ahead and find the score lines, which should all be grouped together. Go up to Operation and change from Cut to Score. This will make sure that these score lines will be scored and not just cut out. Then select both elements and go ahead and score and cut out as you normally would cut out cardstock. The best cardstock for this is a heavier weight stock. I'm using a stock by Curious Metallic called Nude. It's got a beautiful shimmer and it's 300 GSM or 110 pounds. I'll let the video roll so you can see how I assembled the box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have linked the templates and also the materials I use in the description box below, so go ahead and check those out. If you have any questions, let me know below, and I will see you again in the next video.